Hey guys, welcome back to Jack Garage. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We're here today to do some work on the Patrol again. Just a bit of a service, you know, change the oil filters, and we're also going to try and put a 3-inch exhaust on it as well.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to do some general maintenance on this thing. It's well overdue.
Yeah, 100%. Have a look at it.
Just give it a bit of a birthday. Like Doc mentioned, all new filters, some fluids, and we've also picked up an exhaust for an absolute steal. Just like everything with this car, we've just been lucky, we've been finding it, and they're out there. The deals are out there.
100%.
Full 3-inch exhaust. We've got a turbo back pipe as well. $150.
Amazing deal. Like couldn't have gotten a better deal out of a 3-inch exhaust if we tried. So.
Yeah, and they're out there. Like you can get
exactly.
Stocks there when we started.
Facebook Marketplace deals all the way.
They're out there. Gotta be quick on the trigger.
Yeah, 100%. He who hesitates waits.
That's right. That's right. You miss out on the deals.
Exactly. Okay, let's get into it.
Oh man, this thing's seen some better days. Filthy.
Absolutely filthy.
Definitely overdue for a birthday. So I'm gonna put another one in. All right, the new one's in.
Easy. Just like that. Couple clips. Yes, we do need to clean the engine bay. It is absolutely horrendous.
That's our next job, I think. We have some time.
Just a nice couple clips.
Yep. 4 clips.
Seals the box. All right. Onto the fuel filter. Right, we've got the fuel filter out, or diesel filter. For this model, it's comes in a cradle, and they have 2 different types of filters. This one is just all pipes clip in and tie on, and where there's another model where it will actually screw in from underneath, and instead of having the fuel pump as a hand pump like this, it's actually on top where you have to push in and prime it that way. So I'm just going to pull this out of the cradle and put the new one in. So first thing you want to do is, when reinstalling, is making sure that the sensor at the bottom of the fuel filter is clipped on, nice and tight like that. If that's correct. Nice and tight. It needs the
little circlip,
circlip to go in to make sure it stays exactly where it needs to be.
Yep, like that.
Nice and tight, and there'll be your circlip holder down the bottom there, so it doesn't just come off. And now I'm just going to chuck this all back in. There's a couple of 12mm bolts here, a couple of inlets, outlet, and I think that's also
things are
pump to the tank.
Yeah, return to the tank.
Yeah. So I'm going to put all that in and
primer up and good to go.
Should be good to go. Yeah. Okay. So this is the fuel filter on the turbo diesels. It's directly underneath the turbo. As you can see, mine has a really bad leak. I'm assuming somewhere along the line it's either a leak from the turbo or a leak from the O-ring that's in here. But it is an inset fuel filter, oil filter, and by the looks of this, I don't think it's ever been changed in its life. That is disgusting. It's done some kilometers. Well, I'm going to put the new one in, which is on the bull bar there, and put a new O-ring in and chuck this back in.
Yep, we'll get it filled back up.
Easy. Alright, so I got the new filter in, the new O-ring on. The rubber O-ring should always be rubbed with a bit of oil, so it's being plastic or rubber, it just will help the longevity of that ring.
Yeah, the old one was all perish when we pulled it apart. It was just breaking apart as we're pulling it off, so obviously it hasn't been serviced for a little bit.
For a fair while. And as you can see, it's no longer black, it's semi-silver.
Yeah.
So, gonna go and chuck this straight back in. in under here, and we'll just screw it on. Once it gets semi-tight.
Yeah, hand tight first, we'll nip it up with the socket.
Exactly. Thankfully, unlike most oil filters, it actually comes with a, what is it, three quarter inch socket piece, so you can go straight in and tighten it straight up instead of having to have a filter ring that goes around it.
Beautiful.
So we went to go put the exhaust on, and we realised that the lower part of the turbo flange was a little bit too far down. So we made a couple of calls, and Kyle's dad was able to help us out and cutting and shutting this lower piece. So as you can see, the upper piece has been cut off, and now it's down further. A little bit further on in the clip, you'll be able to see what I mean, that we've cut off that big bend. So it's Steve has really outdone himself and helped us out a lot. I will put in his Instagram and his Facebook for Haylock Fabrications. Outstanding job, and it only took him like 20 minutes to do this, so I can't wait to see further work that he does for us. If we're looking at this angle, that's perfect of where it's meant to be.
Okay, cool.
Perfect. Yeah, that's what I said as well. Was that flexi point will make up for any. Also, while I remember, we did put oil in the car before we went over.
They tied it.
We put in 15W50, which is a higher grade oil, which helps a engine just like mine that looks like it hasn't been serviced just work a little bit better.